Today we are changing the differential axle fluid on my Dodge 5500. Turbo diesel, and this is the axle. Cleaning this so I can find out how bad that oil is inside the rear axle.
Yes.
Let's go find the drain plug for this. I think I'm going to use a crescent wrench. Not sure what tools I need, so I just got a bunch of tools. It looks like a 7/8. Here it says drain. I don't know if you can see that. No?
Yes.
That's where you
It was drained just on the right of the right.
okay, this. I'm going to take this off with the ratchet. This is where you pour the oil. Gee, I'll show you something right now. Oh, this one fits a little better. Going to use an impact gun. Oh shit. Oh, here we go. It's going to get messy. Okay, so I never done this on a Dodge 5500. I should have did this when I first bought the truck. Ooh, that oil's hot. You gotta do it when it's hot. Hopefully I got this thing level. It looks level, huh?
It does look level on the level.
I'll let that drain. So what this is, the refill plug. So what this is, it's a magnet. Might be a little bit of metal. It's not too bad, but it's got a little bit of metal. I'm just gonna clean this up. I'm glad I'm doing this now than have a broken axle.
So this is what he's using, brake parts cleaner. That's what it looks like when it's cleaned.
Bought the truck used, and it's been bugging me for a couple months. I'm like, but I found some a little bit of metal shavings in this magnet right here. But I'm glad I'm changing the fluid right now with Mopar. I got this stuff from the dealership. I think they wanted 190 or 180, right?
It's $22.50 per quart.
So, tell them whenever I get stuff from the dealership, I always tell them about my fleet discount. So I get a little bit of discount.
Yes.
Yes, so this is stuff right here that I'm going to be pouring to the rear axle. Your truck is level. Oh, it snaps. Mine's off a little bit. I might have to. It's okay.
It's not off by much.
16. Yeah, it's pretty tight. Okay, now I'm going to put this back in. Yeah, you don't want to use an impact gun for this. Only when you take it off. All right, let's start the process.
This is what the new oil looks like. It's like a gold color. And he just put 6.5 quarts. And the way he did it pretty easily is using this funnel here.
I don't think it was easy. They sell an attachment to on that quart,
Yeah.
a hose, but I got in a hurry trying to do.
I recommend you get it because we did spill some oil when we were trying to use that that nozzle, but all the oil's in and it's recapped, so he's finished. 6.5 of these quarts, and it's SEA 75.90. He went to Lodi, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and he purchased the oil, and here's what he spent. $158.17. And what he tends to do, he'll write in his little, this is his user guide for his truck. Now he has a 2016, of course, and in the back it has place for notes, and he writes down when he does any maintenance to the truck. And of course today, February 9th, he did the rear axle fluid change, 6.5 quarts, and he did that 140,246 miles. So he likes to keep a record of that. And if you have any questions, please drop them below. If you like this video, please give it a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.